We're going to learn about air pollution today by reading this book called Dirty Air by Ellen Lauren. Dangerous air. It's morning in a busy city. Thousands of cars carry people to work and school. Hundreds of trucks make deliveries to homes and businesses. These vehicles make life easier for people, but they can also make our air dirty. How? Caption. In a notebook, keep a record of how many times you travel in a car or bus in 1 week. Caption. Sometimes the air looks smoky or smells bad when it is dirty. Often, though, gases and other kinds of pollution in the air are invisible and have no smell. Burning fuel. Most vehicles are powered by gasoline or diesel. These fuels are made from oil. When fuels made from oil are burned in a vehicle's engine, harmful gases are released. Tiny particles of chemicals and soot are released too. This pollution is harmful to people and to the environment. It spreads everywhere as it floats in the air. Caption. Harmful gases and particles being released from a car. Caption. When fuels made from oil are burned, a gas called carbon dioxide is released. Too much carbon dioxide in the air traps the sun's heat on Earth and helps cause global warming. Making electricity. Driving vehicles is not the only way harmful gases and particles get in the air. Power plants that make electricity also cause pollution. These plants use coal and natural gas to make energy. When these fuels are burned, they release pollution into the air. Caption. Every day we use a lot of electricity. When we turn on a light or a computer, electricity is being used. Caption. A power plant making electricity. Caption. Pollution in the air spreads from one place to another. How do you think this happens? Pollution all around. People can cause air pollution in other ways too. Anything that releases smoke and dust makes the air dirty. When buildings are built or torn down, lots of dust is stirred up. When wildfires burn forests, smoke and ash fill the air. The wind moves all of this polluted air from place to place. Caption. Dust. Caption. Smoke from outdoor barbecues, indoor fireplaces, and wood-burning stoves all pollute the air. Caption. Wildfire. Caption. Smoke and ash. Health effects. To be healthy, people need to breathe clean air. Spending time in polluted air can make them sick. It can hurt their eyes and make them cough. Dirty air can also cause diseases, such as asthma, that make it hard to breathe. If people with asthma breathe polluted air, they may become very ill. Caption. Medicine being used to treat asthma. Caption. Mask. Caption. Sometimes when the air is dirty, people wear masks. The masks help stop them from breathing in polluted air. Acid rain. Air pollution isn't only bad for people, it's also harmful in another way. When poisonous gases float up into the sky, they mix with raindrops in clouds. This creates acid rain. When acid rain falls on trees and other plants, it can kill them. Acid rain also poisons rivers and lakes, killing the animals and plants that live in them. Caption. A statue damaged by acid rain. Caption. Acid rain can even damage buildings and statues made of stone. Over time, the rain causes parts of the stone to crumble and fall off. Caption. Healthy pine trees. Caption. Pine trees killed by acid rain. Caption. What do you think people can do to stop air pollution? Reducing air pollution. How people choose to travel can help reduce air pollution. For example, traveling by bus or by train is better than using a car. Trains and buses can carry many more riders than cars. That means the amount of pollution produced to carry each passenger is much less. Caption. When people travel by walking or bicycling, they produce no pollution at all. Caption, take a bus. Caption, ride a train. Caption, ride a bike. Making cleaner electricity. People can also help reduce air pollution by making electricity without burning fuel. Hydroelectric power uses the flow of water to make electricity. Wind power uses the wind's energy to make electricity. Solar power captures the sun's light to make electricity. Caption, hydroelectric power. Caption, wind power. Caption, solar power. Caption, solar panel. Caption, solar panels capture the sun's light and use it to make electricity without releasing any pollution. Be a clean air champion. Reducing how much electricity you use can help make the air cleaner. When you turn off a light or computer, you use less electricity. When lots of people use less electricity, power plants burn less fuel. Then fewer harmful gases are released into the air. By using less electricity, we make the air cleaner for everyone. Caption, regular light bulb. Caption, energy-saving light bulb. Caption, use energy-saving light bulbs. These bulbs use less electricity than regular bulbs and they last longer. How to cut air pollution. Carpool to school whenever possible. Energy is saved when friends share a ride instead of taking separate cars. On hot days, close curtains and shades. That will keep out the sun's heat and reduce the amount of air conditioning you need. Only run the dishwasher when it's full of dishes. It takes as much energy to run a half-empty dishwasher as one that is full. Many trucks travel hundreds of miles to carry food from where it is grown to where it is sold. Driving these long distances burns lots of fuel, which produces air pollution. You can save energy and reduce pollution by buying fruits and vegetables grown close to your home.